how to do the Easter eggs on Black Ops 7 Vandorn Farm. So in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you about how you can do the Easter eggs in Black Ops 7 Vandorn Farm. Now you have to just follow this light and you have to find these type of trash cans. Find these type of trash cans. These trash cans are the Easter eggs and you have to find every one of them if you want to do the Easter eggs. They sometimes give you a very good loot. Just melee it and throw a grenade or something in it, just like this, and there you go. Let's see what we get here. We got a salvage. That is not bad, I think. Okay, so again melee it and then you can see salvage. I got salvage again. So make sure you find every one of them. It's very rare, but it can give you a very good loot, a very good sniper rifle or anything which can give you a very good advantage, or you can use it properly. So yes, this was it for today's video. I hope this guide was helpful for you guys. So please consider subscribing for my YouTube channel and leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.